Hello, welcome back to Curls by Charlene. Today I'm going to show you how I clean synthetic hair that I've bought to braid my hair with. I use an apple cider vinegar rinse. This really helps if you have a sensitive scalp or sensitive skin. Have you ever had a reaction after using this kind of thing in your hair, like bumps or a rash or itching? This will get rid of the alkaline coating. You want to start by running lukewarm water in the sink, not hot water, as this can possibly melt this hair or make it a different texture than required, for braiding especially. Then you want to get some apple cider vinegar rinse, the mother one that has all the bits in the bottom. As you could see, I shook the bottle. I'm shaking the bottle. You want all that good stuff to be mixed in. I'm just eyeballing the amount and pouring it in as much as I think, but if you're extremely sensitive and your scalp is extremely sensitive, I would pour a whole cup of apple cider vinegar into the water at least before you add the hair. Now this lovely hair that we've got, as you can see, I'm tying the ends because this hair, you want to keep it in place because it can get knotted and tangled easily. So I should have really just done a loose plait as well, but they were fine. Also, when they come out of the bag, they have like a knot at the end anyway, like a tie or a hair tie. I would definitely say make sure you tie the ends as well, because it just comes apart and this hair just goes everywhere. Now I'm just pushing the hair in the water because you want it to all soak up, so the rinse can get rid of the chemicals, but possibly you can use gloves. I'm not using gloves because I'm quite fine with apple cider vinegar. And you're going to want to let it rest for about 20 minutes. However, if you have very sensitive skin, I would leave it in for 24 hours. I left mine in for 20 minutes and now basically draining out the water, and you want to rinse all the apple cider vinegar out of this hair, but you want to do it with cold water. So wring out the water first, as you can see me doing. If you did the 20-minute soak, then you only need to rinse it a few times. But if you left it in for 24 hours, you will need to rinse it at least for 5 minutes under a shower head, clean water, just to dilute all the apple cider vinegar rinse, because it would have soaked up into the hair. Remember, I said just rinse it with cold water, and then you could go one step further and use a clarifying shampoo to rinse it again, but I didn't do that. I just went ahead and hung it up on a hanger in my bathroom over the bath so it could drip dry overnight. So this hair was ready for me the next day. If you find you have done all this and your scalp is still reacting or itching, I suggest washing your scalp with the braids in with a sulfate-free shampoo and massage gently. Gently does it. Then rinse in the shower with warm water for 15 minutes or more, and rinse at least twice again. Then see how it goes. If it's still itching, whew, girl, you got some sensitive skin. I'm not a doctor, so I suggest you go and get that seen to. But if it all works out, great, let me know in the comments. Also share any tips that you have that can help, and then re-oil the hair. Then hopefully this works and you can do whatever style you want. As you can see, I braided mine. I will see you in my next video where I show you how I braid it, how I got this hairstyle, how easy it was to do. But thanks for watching Curls by Charlene. Please like this video, And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Bye!